एक आदमी देश की जनता को रिमाइंड करा रहा है कि सवाल पूछना मत रोको. Done with pacifism, he has come down to throwing punches. सरकार से नाखुश, suffering due to capitalism, there is a rage that's taken over his whole life. देश पर भरोसा करने के बाद भी जब दिल और अरमान दोनों ही टूटे तो प्रिजन में जाके मिलिशिया तैयार करनी पड़ेगी. You know what's happening right now? दोस्तों, this is the return of Bollywood's angry young man. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहाँ reviews, interviews सब है. I am in Toronto right now for TIFF, so coverage from that also super soon. For now, आज बात करेंगे about Atlee's Jawan, starring Shah Rukh Khan, Nayanthara, Sani Malhotra, and others. Now in movie theaters. Mild spoilers ahead. Consider this a heads up. Mild. ये इस साल की दूसरी शाहरुख खान की मूवी है और दूसरी बार his introduction scene has him beaten, broken, bruised, but undefeated. कहाँ शाहरुख खान खुद खत्म होते हैं और कहाँ उनके कैरेक्टर्स अब शुरू हो रहे हैं. The actor is himself going out of his way to blur that line it seems. Sure, in real life he's not beating people to pulp जब खुद सीने में गोली लगी हुई है. But like Karan Johar and Rocky Rani in Jawan, there are enough self-referential fourth wall breaking dialogues to remind you who the man is behind the characters he's playing and how personal all of this is. As far as cinematic syntax goes, Jawan is all over the place. Cohesive screenplay? We don't know her. But Atlee, with constant collaborator Ravana Girivasan, keeps the chaos structured enough to keep bringing it back to the cornerstone of the film, Shah Rukh Khan and what he means to a nation once you look beyond his immense popularity. In Jawan, he's an army man, a jailer, a terrorist, a lover, a son, a father, and despite the cacophony, you won't find yourself asking, will the real Shah Rukh Khan please stand up? Because at the end of it, he's Shah Rukh Khan in all these roles. The actor goes beyond Pathaan to remind us, his adoring audience, that he's got us. If Pathaan promised continued superstardom in that scene with Salman Khan in the end, where Shah Rukh Khan commiserates कि हमें ही करते रहना पड़ेगा, नए वाले बच्चों से नहीं होगा, Jawan reminds you what this superstardom can be galvanized to achieve in a nation feeling increasingly fragmented every passing day.
So Kali, no deal.
If one had to put Jawan in a genre, I suppose it would be action. But to be fair, the genre is pretty much anything is happening. Why a 6 or 7-year-old is scouting a husband for her very accomplished mother, and why that mother agrees to marry this man she knows in 40 seconds? Don't ask these questions. The intention of the film is not to give you a love story. Atlee is only attempting to lure you in with the promise of yahan sab kuch milta hai, and then he rapidly begins to show his hand while he has your attention. In one of the movie's earliest sequences, a bald Vijay Rathore, Shah Rukh Khan's terrorist persona, dances inside a metro train he has hijacked with his gang of girls. You've seen this clip in promotional material. It's refreshingly unhinged. While I wish the movie as a whole leaned into this weird kitschiness a little bit more, I'm not upset it doesn't, primarily because the film doesn't give me room to ruminate on how I feel about its stylistic choices. Jawan is simply saying, look, we know as a country we've got many issues, and the best way humans know how to deal with pain is to look the other way. Yeah, but let us remind you once and for all what news media, journalism, debates and experts should have the freedom to talk about in a democratic nation. Subtlety की scope है ही नहीं यहाँ. एक नहीं 600 चीजें एड्रेस करने के लिए कैसे आपको धीरे-धीरे समझाएंगे एक-एक चीज पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना एक फिल्म के अंदर. So this here is a freight train of conflicts and solutions going as far back as invoking the Bhopal gas tragedy to oxygen shortage in hospitals across the country during the devastating and quickly forgotten second wave of the COVID pandemic. Hair splitting mentality नहीं है कि gas leak क्यों हुई, उसका political impact क्या है. Like I said, this is the angry young citizen who doesn't care about waiting for finer details anymore to present themselves, but he demands previous inaction be addressed. So we aren't doomed to repeat history over and over again. Even the old citizens will have to start playing a young person's game to finally be able to play their part in democracy they didn't realize they had been ignoring their whole lives. अगली generation सुधारने के लिए पिछली generation से start करना पड़ेगा.
हम जवान हैं, अपनी जान 1000 बार दांव पर लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ देश के लिए.
अगर ये सब सुनकर आपको लग रहा है कि मूवी रिव्यू में इतनी पॉलिटिकल बातें क्यों कर रही है, इट्स बिकॉज ये रिसेंट टाइम्स की सबसे पॉलिटिकल मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म है. स्क्रीन प्ले इतनी जल्दबाजी में है कि देखिए फार्मर क्राइसिस पे भी जाना है, बैंक फ्रॉड पे भी जाना है, क्रोनी कैपिटलिज्म भी इशू है और करप्शन भी है, हेल्थ केयर भी फैल गया है, वोटर फ्रॉड भी हो रहा है और शायद टाइम ज्यादा बचा नहीं है कि इंतजार करें ऊपर बैठा कोई है जनहित में सोचना शुरू करेगा. टाइम खत्म, पेशेंस खत्म. मूवी का स्क्रीन प्ले भी इसी हिसाब से चलता है कि इलेक्शंस हैं कुछ महीनों में. Here's a deafening reminder of what all is at stake. A shakedown of how our helplessness has turned to apathy and how one needs to find that anger towards this injustice and channel it towards change. Jawan is not a documentary, but it may as well be. In one of the more moving subplots. Sunny Malhotra, an actor I love to watch, but one I wish was utilized more in this film, plays Dr. Iram. She's incarcerated due to false charges of neglect that led to children dying in a hospital she was a doctor at. Now, without saying Dr. Kafil Khan's name out loud, one cannot deny this harks back to the very recent past where this doctor was sent to prison because he dared to organize oxygen cylinders on his own dime, giving local authorities a bad name. In one shot, Sania falls to the feet of a man. She's begging for oxygen cylinders for children, all suffering from encephalitis, their lives hanging by a thread. Now, even if you don't remember this very same thing happening in 2017, 2021 to yaad hoga. How many of these clips did we see on the internet? Some are still saved on our phones in Twitter archives. The cries of a man pleading for an oxygen cylinder for his mother as he wrestled for it on a zebra crossing in the dead of the night in the middle of the road kept me awake for days on end. We saw this happen. Hell, we lost family members. And yet, where is the accountability? Instead, we have our head of state's photos on all our vaccine certificates and billboards telling us what a great job everybody did.
बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर.
So no, it's not a documentary. But Jawan is a densely packed, dizzying simulation of real life, constantly breaking the fourth wall to remind us of this. Sumit Arora's dialogue, a character named Kaveri Amma, naam to suna hi hoga, chhaiya chhaiya. I mean, Atlee appears himself in one song and starts dancing with Shahrukh. बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात करने वाली लाइन ये इतनी फेमस हो गई है, पर इसमें एक्स्ट्रा रिवर्ब देकर उसका वजन क्यों बढ़ाया है इस सीन में? You decide. Jawan is super eager to start talking about things it wants to address, and once you get over the bizarreness of its pacing and the little too long sequence with Deepika Padukone, Jawan might enter your physical body and spread itself underneath your skin if you're an Indian citizen who has been paying any attention at all. This by no means is a flawless film. Nah. Why is no one addressing that the child's name is Suji? Why are there so many shots of cinematic tears rolling down faces? Was that Sonu Nigam I heard singing a song in English about life going on and on? The film doesn't care. And neither should you. Look closely instead at what Jawan is. As much as the film is demanding accountability from people in power, it is also holding itself accountable. What is the point of turning a person from a regular human being into a godlike figure just because this person is good at their chosen profession of acting if that superstar power is not used for the people in return? In 2023, stars are accessible. The mirage is broken. Unless they crumble under the weight of their own platform, the movie star will have to, in some way or the other, become a face for a better time. A future we can occupy where strife is eradicated or at the very least minimized enough to allow us to breathe.
अगर कोई मेरे इतने बड़े एम्पायर को हाथ लगाएगा तो?
Jawan is a release for pent-up frustration. An incredible Vijay Sethupathi plays the most nonsensical, no-nonsense villain in recent times and is the face of the evil staring this country in the face. A businessman so rich and connected, he single-handedly chooses who runs the country. In 2023, the villain does not have a lair like Shakal or Mogambo. He does not smuggle gold bricks. He's not an outlaw in a bihar. He's a sophisticated designer suit wearing man you see written about in magazines and newspapers. While his corporations leave no stone unturned in exploiting every single loophole his claws can find in the threads of law and order. All while cloaked in the garb of mainstream cinema, all the usual hijinks are also involved. I swear at one point a man smears eggs on a car's windshield in the middle of a very high-power chase sequence, and you're just so caught up in the adrenaline rush of it all, you won't even stop to think ki amid the heavy weaponry, one guy remembered to pack 3 loose ande in his pocket for this precise moment. Jawan is anarchist, but it is not asking for annihilation. As the nation's capital comes to a standstill for the G20 summit going on right now, this film is the full-throated protest happening outside the gates. करोगे participate?
और क्या चाहिए?
एक गाना सुनाइए ना.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Jawan is 30 years का शाहरुख खान भी है, 60 years का भी है, and both times he is the sexiest man I've ever seen. कभी तो कोई figure out करे कि कैसे with each passing day he's just becoming a bigger movie star. टोरंटो फिल्म फेस्टिवल से कवरेज आएगी यहाँ पर जल्दी. आप सब्सक्राइब करके वेट करो बस. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.